guys, when we've got our piece of paper and we're writing notes, whilst we're writing words and we're writing bullet points and we're writing some numbers down, what we're really doing with this sheet of paper is being able to solve the problem. To be able to solve the problem, we have to take this piece of paper and turn it into what is going on. Now, if the first thing you start writing on your piece of paper is one specific micro example, look at how much of the rest of the paper is empty. I have no fucking idea what's going on. Now, if they do give me one very specific thing and I want to clarify that, I'll clarify it to then plot it on my piece of paper. But then if you imagine that this piece of paper was a map of the person's life, specifically in the area that you're solving, so it could be their fitness life, their dating life, their financial life, whatever. Imagine it like a map. I have to plot the chart. I have to plot the map. We've got this over here, this over here, this over there, that over there. That's this distance from that. That's this distance from that. But if I just get really high resolution about one very specific thing, I have no idea what else is going on in the rest of the map. So you're writing words and you're writing numbers, but the mental model that you need to be thinking is you're creating a map of this is what's going on. If you're a business consultant, you would create a one-pager of I've done my initial consultation. This is what's going on in the business. We've got this, we've got that. There's this much of this much of that. That's affecting this, that's affecting that. This is affecting their personal life. It's affecting this. You would have a summary visually of what we would call the current status of the business. That's what you're doing. And this is one of the caveats to sales is you're not actually trying to write everything down to show the person how on the map to go from A to Z. They will do the journey themselves once they can see the map. You're not trying to sell someone. You're not trying to make them do the journey. You're not trying to do the journey for them. All you need to do is provide them clarity. And if you provide enough clarity of where they're at on the map, where they could be on the map, why they're there and why they're not there, and all the consequences if they choose to stay here instead of making the journey to there, they will just make the pilgrimage on their own. You just need to get everything clear, showing what's going on and the relationships between everything and the severities of different things, and they'll just come to their own conclusion. Holy shit, I'm an idiot. I'm in this place. I don't want to be in this place anymore. This is costing me a bunch of stuff. How do I sign up? Oh, you sign up here. Okay, cool. No selling necessary. You don't need to sell people. You just need to show them the map. Okay, Lee.
Yeah, just two questions to make sure I'm understanding this correctly. So if they give you lots of information from the onset, we want to keep it broader picture and less specifics. But if they give you limited information, we want to be more specific. Is that correct?
Well, it's both, because if they give you something very specific, I haven't got anything else. And if that thing that they gave me is specific but unclear, the next question I'm going to ask is probably to clarify what they just told me. Once they've clarified it, I will plot that on my map as a bullet point of a few words or a number if it's some numbers. And then I will zoom out and get the bigger picture because I still need the big picture. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.